So this is the Synbos wireless doorbell kit. It's easy to install. You can flip it over here and see that that's where we're going to plug it in. This is going to be the receiver and where we're going to put this at the actual door. This is the portion we're going to put to the non-moving panel. This is the portion we're going to connect to the actual door. Step 1, remove the sticker from the panel and place it onto the smaller portion of the receiver. Place the portion on the door, hold for a few seconds to ensure that that is stuck there properly. Then place the receiver, making sure to match it up with the smaller portion. Take the Synbos transmitter and plug it in to a nearby outlet. Use the button on the side to choose your chime.